Hurricane Elida. Hurricane Elida was the second hurricane of 2008 Pacific hurricane season. On July 8, Elida formed as a tropical wave in the western coast of Central America, and it became a tropical depression on July 11. Then it intensified into a tropical storm, Elida. After just a couple of days, it turned into a hurricane. It reached its hurricane status with a maximum sustained winds of 160 kilometers per hour, or equivalent to a 105 miles per hour. It is classified under the Category 2 hurricane. Elida brought a heavy rains and thunderstorm. It has a steady intensity. After a few days, it weakened as it moved over cooler waters. It downgraded into a tropical storm. The Weather Bureau anticipated that Tropical Storm Elida to disappear in just a few days. Hurricanes are really a destructive natural disaster, but it still has a positive impact and effect in such a way that it has an ability to clear pollutants from the air. People should give attention in reading and watching news. This is Anne of Synergy.